welcome back to my channel. Another video. I'm getting a little bit better at these talkie videos. But today is a special day. Now, mind you, my birthday was in August, and so these are gifts to me. I bought them in August. It's just, I just waited till now to post this video. But best friend gave me money for my birthday, and we're going to get into where I found the box and everything, who the people are and everything. I did not pre-open these boxes, so we're going to enjoy the surprise and the giddiness together. So grab a snack, drink. I got my caramel water right here, so don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you please, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So she wanted me to do a subscription, one of those monthly subscription boxes, and I was going to, but I happened to be watching one of the YouTubers, many of YouTubers that I watch, and she did a Poshmark video haul, makeup haul, mystery box haul. Let's get that together. Oh, me and the English language. Anyway, so I was taking a gander, surfing the internet, and I saw on Etsy that there's people on there doing mystery boxes and spa boxes and stuff like that. So I was like, what? I don't know about you, but I thought that Etsy was for, people with special skills, carpenters, jewelers, people who make pottery, all that stuff. So I was surprised, to say the least. Now, there is a good smattering of prices and stuff like that for mystery boxes, bags, and stuff like that, but I got two mystery boxes. You see, there we go, from this seller. Well, let me stop talking about it and let's get to it. So anyway, this is the box. Oh my gosh, isn't it cute? She did so well. I know which one is which. She does a lippy box, mystery lippy box with some makeup in it, and then just a mystery box of makeup. This is a lippy one. I also like that Etsy lets you talk to the sellers. So if you have concerns, like for the lippies, I reached out and told her, I'm not trying to be too picky, but don't send me wild colors like purple and blue lipstick. If you could stay in the neutrals, the nudes, appreciate it. So without further ado, let's get into this bad boy. I'm so excited. I have two of the same boxes, but Lord have mercy. So disorganized today. Oh, and the brand is called SOLACECROWN. I'll have everything in the description box or up here somewhere, whichever I feel like it, but information will be available to you. So you just don't get to say, well, that's cute, but who was it by? That's who it's by. So, and the shipping was fast. I ordered it, both of them 2 days before they arrived. So shipping, you're not waiting forever and a day to get your packages. I also appreciate that she tapes these well, but she kind of tapes them a little too well. Don't worry, I'm a pro. Alrighty. Are you as anticipation killing you? I hope not. So I don't want you to die while you're watching this. But I'm excited. Anticipation. my gosh, guys. So this is the box. Luxury comfort box. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. It's so cute. Here's all the packaging, bubble wrapped and everything. And she sent me some stickers. One says she believed she could, so she did. Oh my gosh, cute. And your dream is achievable. I love it. And it looks like I got a little card that says thank you for supporting my business. Oh my gosh. I love that it's in hunter green, guys. It's cute. Loving the aesthetic so far. Oh my gosh, little cards. Thank you for supporting my small business. Thank you so very much for your purchase. And then her business card. It does say on her page that, you know, it's just not makeup. She includes little goodies like earrings and hair ties and stuff like that. So I technically already see some earrings here. And, oh, look here. I've got a clarifying oatmeal protect and stabilize sheet mask. Yay. Oh my gosh. Some hoop earrings, gold. I need these pairs. Huge. Oh, I got me a little brush set. Black brush deck. So cute. The Makeup Revolution lip topper in Ruby Crush. So this would be very good for the holidays. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh, I got a facial oil mist energizing from e.l.f. I can't wait to try. Oh, she got me a little mirror. And it's a mitten from Tony Moly. So cute. I love it. Oh my gosh. And then I got this cute little sack of things in here. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to be organized, but kind of catching everywhere. Got another sticker that says, today will be a great day. I got some eye patches. Cute. e.l.f. Ultra Pencil Brow Pencil in black. Yay. And then it looks like I got a few colored crayon eye light crayons from Nikek. Some wild colors. I don't know if I'll use them, but you never know. I might be daring. And I got a sunny waterproof smart smoky gray auto lip liner and eyeliner with the little. And then I got another little packet, another e.l.f. product, a day to night lips dual needed in nudes. Yay. So I'm loving that. This is all glossed up hydrating lip stain in the color Perky. Curious what it looks like. So let's find out what it looks like. Oh, chunky little crayon. Interesting. I've never seen a. And it's from Hard Candy. Hard Candy. I don't know what I said, but that's where it's from. And then LA Colors little lip oil in the color Strawberry Fizz. Cute. And another Nikek lip color. This is in Aqua. Okay, not quite I was happy with that, but whatever. And another lip oil, a yellow one in Honey Bun. Cute. And then I don't know what these are. I don't know if these are lip plumpers. I just know they're lip masks. So, oh, I got the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Flush Blush in Berry Pop. Very cute. Let's open her up. See what the pop is. It's really jelly-ish. Don't know how I feel about that. Very coppery. It's almost like a almost looks like a copper eyeshadow. I got a Sleek Makeup Precious Charms highlighting palette. Cute. Some Eco Tools mask remover sponges. Yay. Cutie cutie. And I've got a iSleek Melody Space eyeshadow palette. And least but not last, oh, a little cute little rubber ducky makeup bag. Okay, second box, same deal. I saved us the hardship of watching me open it. Some more stickers. I won't bother you with reading every single one of them. Another cute little card. We have just a keychain, little blue fluffy heart. It says love. Cute. Let's get back into that. Beauty sponge. Angled one. There we are. Another pair of gold hoop earrings. Oh, wow. I got some interesting nails, guys. These are nails with a nail file and glue. Wow. That is surprising. King Color Eyebrow Essential Kit. Oh. Eyebrow powder. Okay. Another pack of eye masks, but I get 2. And remember, this is the mystery makeup box. So, another Jelly Pop. Little nail polish thingy, you know, you stick your finger into it. And I've never tried one, but that seems to be a little interesting. Another little makeup brush set. Another eye crayon from Knick Knack and eyeliner. In fact, I got another blue one as well. Let's get into this. Knick Knack Blue Hawaii Eyeshadow Palette. Blue Hawaii. That's cute. Oh, so cute. And a Peach Me one. I'm excited about that one. And You Can Be Lemon Drop. I don't know what. But let's open her up and find out what it is, because I don't know what it is. It is an eyeshadow palette, looks like. Guys, look at this right here. I don't even know how to... Oh, they come off. It's a little, see that? But it's a little shimmer piece. Very cute. That's the color. Excuse me, I'm a little... So. See, y'all thought I was just talking about it on Instagram. Firm drinker. Firm drinker. Alright, let's put that aside. I got another little package of lippy stuff. It's from, I guess, Knick-Knack. Yep, Knick-Knack. This is Oil 505. Little lippy. Brown color, looks like. Matte. I'm guessing because it didn't shimmer. And another LA Girl lippy. And a, come on, bro. Thank you. Another aqua lip color. And another one, but a red one. This is Amarnith. Okay, let's not pretend that the English language is the language that I can do well. And then looks like a little lip gloss. I guess grape flavor. And then another set of lip masks. I've got maybe what looks like a mirror. Cute. But let's open it up and check for sure. Yep. Very nice. And whoopsie. The e.l.f. Active Post-Workout Cool Down Mist. How cute. And another yellow ducky makeup bag. So a lot of this stuff I might be giving away because a lot of it's repeat, but it's a fairly good box for the price. But this is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was exciting, you know, a little mystery for today. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Check me out on Instagram. And till the next time, bye.